Hi, having trouble with your JBL Xtreme 3 or just want to wipe the slate clean? This quick lesson guide will help you clear all connections and fix those issues. Make sure your speaker is powered on. Press and hold the volume up button and the play button together. Continue holding these buttons until the device powers off. This should take just a few seconds. Once the device turns off, release both buttons. Press the power button once to turn the device. The speaker will automatically enter pairing mode, indicated by a spinning Bluetooth icon and the notification sound. Connect to your device. On your smartphone or other device, navigate to the Bluetooth settings. Look for JBL Xtreme 3 in the list of available devices. Select it to pair again. Thanks for watching. You will find more tips for your speaker in the playlist. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe to our channel, pop-ups first when you search for a solution.